are going to help them in their careers get better, you got to hold them accountable. So once again, I think a big part of this is fear. People don't feel comfortable doing it. They don't know how to do it. And what I've always told my teams for many years is there's a lot of things you may not know how to do. You got to start practicing. I think we want to do it perfectly the first time. You don't do anything perfectly the first time. You got to practice. And the more you provide feedback, the better you get at doing it. Your phrases get better. How you respond to the reactions that come back your way, you get better at that. So even if you're scared of doing this or you don't feel comfortable, you got to get started and you got to start practicing. And if you can do that, like I said, you'll get really good at this. You get good at the things you practice doing. And if you can't get your team to deliver the mission of your organization, you're going to have a really hard time as a leader, because you're not going to have any credibility to be able to change their behaviors. So get rid of that fear. And secondly, get organized. Get organized. Make sure you're out. If you're not out with your employees, you can't hold them accountable. If you're not observing their performance, and if you don't know what's going on, then you can't get involved with it.
If this culture clip helped you, hit that like button below, and we'll see you in the next clip.